Hey everyone, welcome to the next episode of how to work faster and more efficiently in Premiere Pro. Coming up. Hi everyone, this is the second episode of how to work faster. So in this video, I give you some tips and tricks which would help you to work faster or edit faster in Premiere Pro. So this is the second episode. If you have not checked out the previous episode, please do check that out. The link of that is in the description section below. And before we go any further, please hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. And if you have not followed me on other social media platform, the link of that is in the description section below, or you will see on your screen right now. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to speed up or slow down a footage or a clip, then what you can do in the Premiere Pro, you can right click and select the option speed or duration, and then you can choose the speed 100%. You can make it 200%, so that's going to make it faster. So you can see now this is very fast, and if you want to slow it down, just make it 50%, press OK, or there is a simple shortcut key of accessing the speed or the duration. So, and that is by pressing Ctrl R or Command R. So that would open up the clip duration or speed duration. So you can just reverse the speed as well, and if you want, you can just adjust the speed from here as well. So if you just press OK, so you can see now the speed is just reverse. So all cars are going reverse. So the number one tip is using the shortcut key for the speed or duration. So you can press Ctrl R or Command R to do that. But what if you want to just slow this footage over here, and then you can just make it faster for a few frames. You want to make it slower and then you want to make it faster. So for that purpose, what you can do, the normal way is using a cut over here. So you can just pick this razor tool, you can just make a cut over here, and then over here you want to keep it slow, you make another cut over here, and then what you can do, you can just select this and press Ctrl R or Command R, and then you can just type the speed as 50%. So let me just make sure that you check these ripple edit or shift trailing clips and press OK. So now if you just play it, you can see this is slow and then it's at the normal speed. So you can just again just press Ctrl R, or you can just access to the speed and you can type 200% and press OK. So now if you just press play, you can see the speed slows and then it just runs faster. So it involves lots of steps and it takes lots of steps. So what if you can do this very easily? So let me undo everything, and what you can do, there is another speed ramping option over here. So you can just right click with your mouse and click on the show clip keyframes, so motion, opacity and time remapping. So when you hover your mouse on the time remapping, you will see the speed option. Just check this, and now you will see another, this line is appeared over here that just controls the speed. So now you can easily control the speed with the help of this line. So now how you can do, suppose over here you want to make it slower, so you can press Ctrl and click on this while selecting the selection tool or the move tool. So now when you press Ctrl and click, that's going to create a keyframe, and then just drag your playhead to the place where you want the clip to be slower. So again press Ctrl or Command and then click on this line. So that's going to create another keyframe, and now just drag your mouse over here and click on this line and just drag it up. When you will drag your mouse up, you will see the speed right over here, 435%, or you want to make it slower, just drag it down So when you will drag it down, that's going to make it slower. So let's make it around 36%, and you can see the duration of the clip is extended because this part is slower. So now if we just play this clip, you can see, and over here it becomes slower, and then it comes at the normal speed. So there are 2 keyframes over here, you can see. So you can just split them as well. So if you just click and drag it over here, so that's going to create some ramping over here. So that makes the transition from slow to speed very smooth. Okay, and then click on this one as well and drag it. So that's going to split these keyframes, and then you can see the line is now this way. It just goes down and this way. So if you just play it now, the transition would be very smooth from the slower to normal. Okay, and if you want to just make this one faster, so just control and click over here and drag it up. So that's going to make it faster. So if you just now play it, it just goes slow and then faster. Okay, so you can just click and just split this keyframe to make the transition smoother. Okay, so that's the simple and easiest way, but as you can see, the result is not that smoother because this is a 30 frame per second clip. If you have the 60 frame per second clip, then the result would be very buttery smooth. Otherwise, there is one more option which you can do, which would make this very smooth. So that is by going to the clip and then come to the video option, and then over here time interpolation, and at this time it's frame sampling. Just make it optical flow. So when you will make it optical flow, then it would become very smooth. So this is the very easiest way to speed up or slow down your footage in Premiere Pro. But the problem with this method is that it doesn't work when you have the audio, because in that case there would be a audio sync problem. Your audio will not work properly. So that this can be done only with the clips which don't have the audios or the voiceover. Alright, so you can just use this one, and there is another method as well. So let me just undo it and show you. You can speed up or slow down the entire clip with the help of rate stretch tool, and that is over here. Or you can simply press R and then you can just click and drag it to make the faster. And if you want to make it slower, just drag it up, drag it on the right side, and that would make the entire clip slower. Okay, and there is another method. What you can do, just make a cut and select this, and then if you want to just slow down this area or make it faster, just drag it down. So that's going to make it faster. And if you want to make it slower, you need to just drag it up. But the problem with this, that it's not going to work, because if you drag it to the right side, you can see another clip, or the second part of the clip is not allowing it to just go ahead. So for that purpose, what you can do, you have to just make a space over here and then choose the rate stretch tool and drag it up. So that way it's going to make it slower and then faster or to the normal speed. So the method of using the time remapping or the speed ramping works very well, rather than using the rate stretch tool or going to the just this one clip speed or duration. All right, so these are the tips which would help you to work faster, and please do follow me and keep an eye on the upcoming videos where I will give you more tips to edit faster and work more efficiently in Premiere Pro. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.